Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A cozy, corner living room with a deep navy blue wall color and rich, warm tones. Impressionistic style, but with hyper-realistic details. A tan leather sofa sits in front of a built-in shelving unit, showcasing framed artwork in dark wooden frames. Pictures of nature scenes. A large, ornate area rug with paisley and floral patterns in navy, rust, and cream highlights the seating area. A woven planter with a light beige/cream colored plant holds a large leafy plant. A light brown/tan leather poof ottoman is placed in front of the sofa. A potted plant with broad leaves sits near the corner against the wall. Natural light streams in through French doors with lush greenery outside visible. Dark wooden flooring complements the overall color palette. A spacious, bright, and airy farmhouse kitchen. The setting is a modern farmhouse style, with a white subway tiled backsplash and crisp white painted cabinets. The kitchen boasts a large window with dark, metal-framed panes letting in natural light, illuminating the space. The cabinets feature brass-colored pulls and a dark gray/charcoal granite countertop. Wooden shelves with rustic accents hold kitchenware, plants, and decorative items displayed in baskets. A large, white farmhouse sink is located beneath the window. There is a large, light brown butcher block countertop island with several plates and cups on it, perfect for dining. The style is slightly minimalist yet rustic in design, emphasizing natural elements. A spacious, light-filled farmhouse-style bathroom. Creamy white shiplap walls meet dark gray, large paned windows with a view of a wintry landscape. Wooden vanity cabinets, with a distressed, reclaimed wood aesthetic, flank a white, built-in bathtub. The vanity features a large, off-white countertop with a double sink. Black metal wall-mounted sconces, towel racks, and cabinet pulls add a touch of industrial flair to the warm, rustic style. A woven basket sits next to the tub. A patterned rug in warm earth tones, with deep orange and rust accents, sits on the light-colored hardwood floors underneath the vanities. A spacious, sun-drenched dining room. A large, light brown wooden dining table with woven chairs. 3 light beige woven pendant lights hang above. The walls are a soft cream color, with a large archway leading to another room. Various potted plants, including large leafy green plants and smaller tropical plants, provide a vibrant touch. The plants are positioned strategically, filling the space with life. Warm, natural light streams in through large windows showcasing a leafy outdoor scene. White decorative pottery vases and baskets are on the table. A woven area rug with a neutral color palette complements the overall aesthetic. A large, rustic dining room with a long wooden table, a stacked stone fireplace, and lots of natural light. The walls are a muted sage green, with horizontal shiplap paneling. White trim accents the walls and windows. The floor is light wood, and a beige and teal patterned area rug is laid out under the table. Several large potted houseplants, palm and others, are strategically placed throughout the room. There is a woven, layered pendant light fixture hanging above the dining table and fireplace. The table is made from reclaimed wood planks of varying widths and tones, offering a warmth and character. The windows are large and allow for great views of the outside. A large, contemporary farmhouse with a stone fireplace and outdoor patio area. Stylish, modern, craftsman-style architecture featuring a metal roof, white siding, and large windows. A stone fireplace with a fire burning inside, surrounded by wooden Adirondack chairs. A covered patio area extends from the house, with a seating area and hanging lights. The landscape includes lush green grass, mature trees, and a patio paved with light beige stone. The sky is partly cloudy, with a mix of blue and white. The colors are warm and inviting, featuring earthy tones from the stone, wood, and foliage with pops of orange from the fire and an orange pumpkin. A cozy, sun-drenched living room, hyperrealistic, rustic aesthetic. Large windows with natural light streaming in, overlooking a tranquil grassy outdoor scene. Wooden beams and a large wooden chandelier create a warm, farmhouse feel. A fireplace with a crackling fire is the focal point, surrounded by a rustic wooden mantel and bookshelves. A light beige/cream-colored sofa and armchairs are arranged around a large, rustic wooden coffee table. A patterned area rug fills the space. Various plants, potted greenery, and flowers add depth and life to the room. Warm, natural tones of beige, cream, brown, and light wood. Artwork on the wall depicts a scenic landscape. A cozy, rustic bedroom, featuring a large wooden bed with a white duvet cover and a beige knitted throw blanket. The bed frame is made of reclaimed wood planks, giving it a warm, aged look. A beige linen headboard adds texture and a soft aesthetic to the space. Two matching wooden nightstands flank the bed, holding lamps with woven shades. A small potted plant sits on each nightstand. The room has light beige walls, a large window with white curtains, showcasing a view of the outdoors. A patterned area rug is placed underneath the bed, with a neutral color palette that complements the overall tone. Other decorative elements are present in the room, such as a hanging plant, woven baskets on the floor and framed art pieces. A cozy, rustic chic breakfast nook. A large, round, wooden table with a natural, light brown finish sits beneath a woven rattan pendant light fixture. Beige linen banquet seating wraps around the table, offering a comfortable and inviting seating area. A light beige, neutral color palette dominates the scene with accents of warm, muted oranges from fruit on the table. Wooden cabinetry in a weathered, light brown tone provides storage and character. Large windows with dark, modern frames offer a view of the outdoors. A bouquet of dried flowers adds organic texture and warmth. The kitchen and dining area are well lit and the light creates soft shadows, creating an intimate atmosphere. A charming, vintage-style porch scene. A light, pastel blue-gray house with weathered, wooden columns and trims. Large, picture windows and a classic wooden front door. The porch floor is a black and white checkerboard tile pattern. Numerous terracotta pots overflowing with vibrant purple lavender bushes are strategically placed along the porch, creating a lush and colorful display. Other smaller flower groupings, like a light blue flower plant near the front door, are also present. The design is inspired by a classic farmhouse aesthetic. Include weathered wood and metal accents. Hyperrealistic rendering, focusing on details like the textures of the wood, the subtle variations in the lavender blossoms, and the details of the terracotta pots. A large, light-filled farmhouse kitchen, hyperrealistic, featuring gray shaker-style cabinets, a white quartz countertop, and a large white sink. The cabinets have glass-fronted upper cabinets, showcasing dishes and glassware. Wooden bar stools with woven rattan seats are placed around an island. A rustic, aged metal range hood hangs above a stove. There are large windows with black frames that let in natural light, illuminating the space. The floors are light-toned hardwood. The backsplash is a pale, off-white subway tile. The overall color palette is a muted, calming design of grays, whites, and natural wood tones. A decorative, cerulean and white ceramic tile is centered above the stovetop. A vintage-style bathroom, hyper-realistic. Cream-colored subway tile walls and floor. Sage green shiplap-style walls accent the room. A large, antique-style clawfoot bathtub in off-white sits in the center, with ornate, leaf-shaped feet. A dark wood vanity with a marble countertop and a brass faucet sits beside it. A wicker basket sits beside the fern plant, which is placed within a corner. A window with multiple panes provides natural light, showcasing a landscape outside. A framed floral still life painting hangs on one sage green wall, while another framed piece hangs on the other. Decor elements like potted succulents, a small wooden shelf with decorative items, and a wall-mounted clock complete the aesthetic. A spacious, modern living room with large windows overlooking a snowy winter landscape. Muted, warm, natural tones dominate the color palette: beige, light brown, cream, and off-white. The style is minimalist, with clean lines and natural materials like wood and stone. A large, light beige sectional couch, with simple, low cushions, takes center stage. A low wooden coffee table, accented with decorative items, sits between the couch and a plush beige ottoman/poof. The fireplace, constructed of light beige/stone, is a focal point. The floor is a light, warm hardwood. The large windows let in natural light, showcasing the snow-covered trees and sky outside. A picturesque, tranquil, and hyper-realistic image of a large, white farmhouse at dusk. The farmhouse features a dark gray metal roof, black framed windows, and a covered porch with warm, inviting light spilling out, illuminating the landscaping. The scene is set in a wooded area, with mature trees surrounding the house, creating a sense of seclusion and natural beauty. The colors are soft and muted, with warm, golden light highlighting the porch and windows, contrasting with the darker greens and browns of the surrounding trees. The landscaping includes various plants, bushes, and a mix of grasses in soft golden and muted greens, all enhanced by ambient lighting, creating depth and a peaceful atmosphere. A cozy bedroom interior, hyper-realistic style. A queen-sized bed dressed in cream linen bedding with a dark gray knitted throw blanket. Teal-colored, textured throw pillows rest on the linen bedding. The wall behind the bed features a rustic, wood paneling in a warm brown tone. The walls are a deep indigo blue. Two wooden nightstands with dark brown finishes are positioned beside the bed, each holding a vase of dried wildflowers and greenery, in cream and brownish tones, contrasted against the dark walls. The room has large windows with dark wooden frames, looking out onto a snowy winter scene. Wall sconces in beige with dark metal details hang on the wall flanking the bed. A cozy, rustic bedroom with a warm, pinkish tan plaster wall. Large arched windows, dressed with cream-colored curtains, look out onto a garden or landscape. A light-colored, wooden chest/dresser sits by the window, featuring multiple drawers. A bed with a cream linen duvet and a coral/salmon-colored throw blanket sits near the arched doorway. The bed is placed in front of a cream-colored headboard. There are two framed botanical prints and a circular mirror on the wall.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.